You have to cover this one too. Dali, hit.
See the guinea pigs.
Huh? Quick.
People are gonna
Oh, it's
feed
good.
the
It's good?
People are
Yeah.
gonna feed
You
the
like
guinea
it?
pigs.
I don't like white.
I'll make some.
Say, Tita Grandma, Bi. Good morning.
Okay, I pour some down.
Okay. Yeah, get water. See you later. Okay, I close the door.
Nina, wait! You gotta use that one.
See you later na. Be careful. Suot niya yung uniform ni Alina mga kachika. Actually, yan yung lumang uniform ni Alina na maliit na sa kanya ba. Kagabi natulog yan siya. Yung suot niya naman yung isang uniform ni Alina. To the small park later? Near the school?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go there.
I can't do like that. You can't do like that.
Yeah, you can do like that. It's dangerous.
No, I can't do like that.
Gusto ko sana nagpahiga na ako mga kachika. Nag-edit ako ng video. Tapos, dami kong gagawin yung bed. Nagpalit ako ng ng bed, ng cover ng bed namin, ng duvet cover, ganun ba? Pinalitan ko yung nga doon sa taas, yung higaan namin. Tapos yung pakiramdam ko kasi di pa talaga, okay mga kachika, dinadala-dala ko lang to ba? Tapos sabi nga ni Mr. na bukas daw, huwag kang pumasok kung ganyan yung pakiramdam mo kasi baka daw, you're gonna be, ano ba yung sabi niya, basta ayaw niya na pumasok ako bukas. Papasok pa din ako bukas kasi yung pakiramdam ko kasi wala naman akong lagnat mga kachika, wala akong temperature talaga, ganun. Yan lang yung boses ko parang iba-iba. Ganun. Alam ko din, malalaman din naman talaga natin pag yung masama yung pakiramdam natin, no? Kasi alam naman natin kung ano yung normal natin na pakiramdam at saka hindi yung hindi normal. Ganun kasi ang dami kong gagawin. Marami akong isasampay, ito tupiin ko. Ito lang din naman tupiin ko. Kaya habang nandito, nagtingin ako kay Alisa doon nga naglalaro. Magtutupi-tupi na lang din ako para pag akyat ko nito sa taas, diretso na lang siya pagligpit ba. Hindi na kailangan tupiin. Tapos magbabacuum ulit ako doon sa bedroom. Dami. Nagpa-andar nga ako ngayon ng washing machine namin. Naglagay ako ng yung yung blanket na mabibigat. Kasi pag mag-antay ako sa gabi kasi isang bisis lang talaga ako nakakapagsalang nga kasi nga minsan nakakatulog na ako or tinatamad na ako ba bumaba, mag-ayos ng mga labahan. Kagabi isang bisis lang ako nakasalang, so marami akong isasalang pa ba. Tapos nagpalit pa naman ako ng bedsheet, so another labahan na naman yun. Okay lang kasi kahit papaano hindi na kami nagpapaandar ng aming radiator para sa heating ba, heater ba lang namin, ganun. So hindi maano yung kuryente. Ngayon lang din ako talaga, matagal na akong hindi nagpaandar ng araw mga kachika kasi lagi nga akong gabi nagpapaandar talaga ng washing machine, lalo na pag noong winter. Sakit yung ulo ko eh. You have to cover this one too. Dali, hit.
Huh? I pour some sunscreen.
Sunscreen, yeah.
You're on the seaside.
You feel like your sunscreen? Okay, keep your hats on, yeah?
Oh, we had a western.
Okay.
down.
It's too small na. That's too small for slides, babe.
Ow. I want to go in.
Wow.
Yay! My swimming pool.
Kain tayo ng mangga mga kachika. Matamis siya. Hinog-hinog na. Kasi babantayan ko si Alisa doon sa labas. You like it, Sa?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. Ito kasi nawala na yung hangin. Iwan ko kung bakit nawala yung hangin nito.
Whoa. What was so busy? I was so busy.
Tatawag ako sa kanya mga kachika kung saan na siya kasi paalis na kami. So ayan pala yung daw yung susuotin
Let's go,
niya.
Mama.
Ba't ang dumi-dumi naman ito? Susuotin niya ngayon. Then lalagyan ko yan
I
siya
have
ng
to do the cake.
Now we have to wait. It's only 2:22. Ayan. Get in, madam. Dala-dala pa talagang bag, oy. Pilit-pilit pa talaga yung bag niya.
I want to take to my park. I want to go to the big park.
Tomorrow, you're gonna go to Curry Park and then you're gonna take your bike with you. It's get very hot, yeah. Susundo na kami kay Alina mga kachika. Kauwi na pa kasi si Mr. Yeah, if it's weather like this, it's maybe
Oh,
hotter.
it's the United States, for God's sake. It's 100 degrees in some states.
Oh my. Okay.
Maybe more. Depends where you are.
Uh-oh. Gonna get some coin kasi may tinda ngayon sa school na ice cream. Nagtitinda ulit sila pag...
It's ice cream.
Yeah, gonna take 3 pounds.
Oh, are you? One each.
Yeah, I have a look if I may.
Oh, you got one as well yourself.
Yeah.
How can I go to?
Yeah, we're going. Tana, come on.
Okay.
Here we go. Can I go to?
Yes, you're going, Mama. I stay here then?
Dalhin, yeah, you just wait here. Dalhin ko to kasi isprayan ko yun si
A
Alina.
mouse.
Okay, let's go.
5 after, I think.
Maglalaro muna sila dito mga chik habang kumakain sila ng ice cream. Si Mr. mag-aantay naman yun doon. Dito kami sa playground pa ng school nila kasi nga, nandito din sila nagtitinda ng ice cream. Okay? Well, you take it up your hair tie. Sabi ni Mr. Billy din daw ako ng ice cream for myself. So hindi talaga ako. Minsan na lang talaga mga kachika, yung weather lang ba. May ice cream nga kami sa bahay eh. Na-stock lang doon sa freezer. Dali. Hi, Tita Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Ito yung playground nila dito. Dali, be.
Wow!
Wobbly.
Wow!
Alis na din kami dito mga 5 minutes. Dito pa may mga bata pa din kasi kaya nagtitinda pa sila ng ice cream.
Oh, I can move. That one?
There. Okay, push. Binigay na ni Alisa sa akin yung ice cream niya. Oh. Kaunti lang yung kinain niya.
Mama, that's in the guinea pigs.
Ha? Hindi pa maubos-ubos yung kay Alisa. Tinulungan ko na nga yan. Tara be, kabi, Alina, ubos agad. Walang alinlangan.
What kind of wearing all those birthday?
Nice ones, nice colors.
What?
They got
Nice
babies
color.
as well.
Babies.
Oh.
Finish it first.
We got and guinea pigs.
Yeah.
Oh,
I touched one. The orange and the white.
the
And they
yellow
got
like that.
baby.
We're talking about guinea pigs mga kachika kasi nagtingin kami ng guinea pigs doon. Meron silang guinea pigs doon sa school kasi. Pinakita sa amin, 6 na peraso.
At the house, you know,
Sabi ko kay Mr.
the woman's gonna
yung balat ko nag-change na agad yung kulay. Sabi niya, it's good daw.
Oh.
My change, my skin changed too
Some
quick.
people gonna
Oh, it's
feed
good.
It's
some
good?
people
Yeah.
gonna feed
You
the
like
guinea
it?
pigs.
I don't like white.
Some people's gonna feed the guinea pigs at when after lunch. They feed
Oh, you know that
Yeah, security. That picks up money. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
in that,
Yeah.
that
That's
Mommy!
course like
I
sure.
got ice cream.
okay.
Ice
Sure.
cream. Mama!
Into the vet.
Cash. Yes. Cash. Pick up cash.
Hello.
I think his daddy don't know it was back. No.
Yeah, I'm sitting at the back. Alina sitting in the front.
Mommy! Oh, yeah, very hot.
Isang araw lang dito, itim na agad yung, hindi naman itim, yung mababalik talaga pagiging, yung balat ko ba. Pero, pag winter naman, puti-puti kaunti. Pero hindi kasi talaga ako maputi mga kachika. Morena.
There's
Oh. Don't touch anything, Alina. Please.
as soon as it's not long as June. I mean May, June, July, August.
Look at that. You change yourself. Good girl. Come on, share it. I get fries there. Cooking fries. You got to eat fruits as well, yeah?
Can we go to the pool later?
Yeah, later. Have to rest first. Gusto rin naman ni Alisa na magpunta na naman siya doon sa
I'll show you
palengko.
something.
Oh my God, that's what you've been doing in school, no?
Yeah.
I didn't see Grace. Grace there today? Grace?
No.
No? Who you play with today then?
I play with Ella, and after that I play with Phoebe.
After lunch, okay. Nag-swimming na naman yan sila sa labas mga kachika.
My slippers.
Ready na yung dalawa mga alas 7 na pala ng gabi mga kachika. Lalabas
I
lang
put
kami sa...
sunscreen on.
Did you?
Yeah.
Sa back,
Mama,
front yard.
little
I put my hats on kay it's
next
very-
day, school tomorrow. Next day.
No,
School
tomorrow is
next day.
weekend. Tomorrow is weekend.
I talk about next day.
No.
Help me, Mama. I'm gonna put sunscreen on Aloe's birthday. I put sunscreen on.
Mm-mm. Yeah,
Why does it
tomorrow.
got red nails?
I know.
Paint your nails.
She's been playing with nail polish earlier.
Oh, my son.
Lalaro talaga yan sila. Naka-hats pa eh. Alas 7 pa lang din kasi. Tingnan naman han. Alisa, namumulot na naman ng dahon.
I got no.